Hi, I'm Hayden. I'm the National Sales Manager of Mitten Vinyl Australia. We have a few different profiles, the Cambridge, Cedar line and the vertical. All our cladding comes with a stylish matte finish, which makes it much easier to maintain. Mitten Vinyl Australia has a limited lifetime warranty, which we back in our after-sales service. Our cladding can be installed by a DIYer or a professional installer. If you need help with the installation process, we have a basic installation guide on our website. The guide will show you which tools to use and the correct installation process. Or if you're looking for something a little more detailed, you'll find our installation videos on our website and all social media platforms. We also offer a warranty activation form in which you can find on our website.